Hello everyone, I'm your Dan Stefano from Budget Sensors, and this is a screencast about our atomic force microscopy calibration nanogrid. Atomic force microscopes are used not only for visualization of nanometer scale objects, but also for quantitative three-dimensional measurements. For those measurements to be accurate, the AFMs must be properly calibrated. Our calibration nanogrid CS20NG is an easy-to-use, affordable, robust and reliable sample for AFM calibration. The nanogrid is a 5x5mm silicon chip, which is available either mounted on a 12mm metal disc or unmounted, and it easily fits on any AFM holder. It features durable silicon dioxide structures on a silicon substrate. The structures are arranged into arrays of different shape: square pillars and holes with 10 micrometer pitch, lines, circular holes and circular pillars with 5 micrometer pitch, and circular holes with 500 nanometer pitch. These arrays are designed and used for vertical and horizontal AFM scanner calibration. Based on our manufacturing and measurement equipment, we guarantee 100 nanometer pitch accuracy for the 5 and 10 micrometer pitch arrays, and 10 nanometer pitch accuracy for the nano array. We also guarantee 2% step height accuracy. The step height of each grating is individually measured and indicated on the box label. Please note that the roughness of the nanogrid surface is not negligible as a percentage of the total step height. Calibrating your AFM system based on a single profile line can lead to a large error. We recommend that a profile is averaged over several micrometers for accurate calibration. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or write us an email if you need further information.